This is a story about a little skirt, a little pink skirt. Where is it? See, I really meant little. It's too tight. And I have another little thing, a little red jacket. How come everything's too small? For now, I want to make the skirt fit me a little bit nicer. So I'm going to combine the two. First, I'll line up the two layers of tulle so that I can draw a straight line for cutting up the two side seams. In the case of this pink tulle Adidas skirt, I want to keep the stripes intact, so I'm actually drawing the line quite a little bit away from the side seam. Cutting time. I'm really missing my rotary cutter right now and my cutting mat. This was possible, but it would be much easier with a rotary cutter. Okay, it's cut. Now what? Oh yeah, the jacket. I'm going to cut the stripey bit off of the sleeve shoulder panel. I drew the cutting line about 1.5 centimeters away from the stripe because I want some of that red to be showing when I sew it to the pink of the skirt. This is a personal choice. I didn't actually really measure anything to see like what would fit me, because at the end of the day, although the skirt is too tight, it's all stretchy fabric, so I just assumed that this extra, whatever it is, 8 centimeters on each side would be enough to fit me nicely. So now I'll stitch the two together. If you have an overlocker, don't be crazy, use your overlocker. I don't have one, so I'm not using an overlocker. First, I'm just doing a straight stitch to attach them, and then as you'll see later, I'll use a zigzag to kind of clean up the edges. Final step is to do some top stitching at the waistband to make it extra strong, as you'll be stretching in and out of your garment all the time. This would look a little bit better with an overlocker or an industrial machine, but alas, I only have a little domestic machine for now. Alright, no more tight trouser syndrome for me. This skirt is super comfy now, yay!